Yeah.
Doing a good job.
Klaus, the recovery vehicle.
That's great. Big motorsports, towing and recovery.
That was a success, and we're back at the Freedom Factory, so we'll stay tuned for some more shenanigans.
Yeah! I love it. We gotta add tow vehicle now to bus as well.
On the long list of jobs for that car.
We're about to put Cleetus Girls Towing out of business.
They turned mullet into a monster truck. We got the biggest monster truck fan I think there is right here.
I love monster trucks. It's so big.
It is big.
I mean, how can you really not love monster trucks?
It wouldn't be the day before an event without Carl having to do some last minute repairs.
Yeah, so what's to ya?
We got some extra help here. And we
We got small hands, Greg.
This is how I help with my small hands.
Yeah.
Doing a good job.
we got to do whatever works here.
Doing a good job.
Yeah. All hands on deck. No matter how big or small. So, we'll see how this goes. Hopefully the issue is what he thinks it is, and we'll let you know what the next issue is. What's up, guys? It's Mike, the author of T is for Turbo ABC book and the rest of the Motorhead Garage series. We're out here at the Freedom Factory again for another awesome weekend. I'll be here all day today selling books, so if you're at the Freedom Factory, please stop by. I'll be happy to sign them for you. We're right in the vendor row. It's beautiful weather, and it's going to be an awesome show. So stop on by, come say hi. We got Hidden Motorsports and Carl next to us. He's got Klaus out with him. I've got my books. Time for a good weekend.
He's better at running.
Right, they're doing a Le Mans style
start,
start, so
if you don't know what I'm talking
they all have
about,
to
you
run
can
out
see
to
video
the car. Their partner has to run out and slap the trunk of the car before they can
Justin
go.
put a video out on his
Should get
social media
interesting.
earlier. You almost became Jackson and Jenny. They are running half the speed of snow right now, but they're good.
They still got a long way to go. This may not how they do it in France, but this is how they do it at the Freedom Factory. Everybody staying off the grass.
I don't see Jake anymore. What are you doing? Big Jake's cut through the grass. No, this is right. I had money on you, buddy. I'm gonna need you speeded up. Here we go. We're fixing to get the first door closed. Cleetus was the first one to his car. They go. Let's go. That was a good time. Very entertaining to watch. Now we're going to see.
Day 2, Freedom Factory setup underway. As you can see, the monster trucks are rolling in. We are set up for an awesome day of burnouts and monster trucks, obviously. So it's gonna be a blast, as always. The car is to be decided. It's still not running right. They did spark plug, swapped a couple injectors, and still having some issues. So hopefully we can get this thing dialed and Carl does a wonderful skid. So either way, I'll have some GoPros strapped up on it, and yeah, we'll catch some of that action. Kid deserves a trophy, so let's hope he brings one home. But I'd love to see an eagle over at Hidden Motorsports. So yeah, just getting started. We are in the infield today, and as always, the Freedom Factory is a blast. So I know today's gonna be awesome. So I'll check back in a little bit. If you guys aren't familiar, this is Speedy Cop, and he builds things like this. So you can kind of see how wild this thing is. See if I can get some in-car of it. This man may be one of the most creative men alive. He also has an airplane in the Burnout competition, just to give you an idea of how crazy this guy is. But very nice guy. A buddy of mine, Andrew, put us together. I got a chance to meet him earlier. Really cool guy and super creative, so go check him out. Ow. All right, well, we didn't quite fix what the issue was on Carl's car, but he's gonna go send it. He's getting in line now, and we should have a burnout here shortly. So fingers crossed that it does what it's supposed to do.
My buddy Carl, this is my boy, dude. I can't It broke? We're gonna see. We're gonna find out. We're testing the clutchless shifting. It was working. Third to fourth, and then I heard a clunk.
Oh, you heard a clunk.
So we're gonna see. Is there anything hanging?
Hold on. I mean, I don't see anything hanging, brother.
I don't know. Something broke. I'll try to fix it and get right back out.
Let's hear it for Carl. We want to see him back out here. Come on.
Well, Carl's run did not go as planned. He didn't even get a tip in, and he said he heard a clunk and then I think just bailed out of it. So he didn't even really leave the pad. So we're gonna have to go see what's up. That didn't look good.
No. It's either rear end or axle.
Yeah, so let's go find out what kind of damage he did. What'd you do?
Started in third, hit fourth clutchless, and it went thunk.
Did it drive at all after that?
No, I got nothing.
All right, what's the plan?
Jack it up and start checking underneath of it. See.
They'll probably let you run again if we can figure it
He
out.
said he will, because I didn't actually move.
Yeah.
It broke at the start.
All right, let's get to work.
Hope it's not a clutch. That's a 4-hour job that we're not doing.
You got like 5 people.
It's kind of a one-person job to do it.
We can figure it out.
You don't want to be under here at the same exact time. Well, what we found out with Klaus is the clutch exploded. Well, we got something really special and really cool about to happen. Yes, that is Neighbor. You guys know Neighbor. Cleetus said, hey, if you want to go for a ride, grab your helmet, hop in, let's do some skids. So of course, I'm gonna go do some skids in Neighbor. Let's go. Get the power.
All right, that's a wrap on another Cleetus event. As usual, amazing time. It sucks Carl wasn't able to get a skid out there. We're all definitely bummed about that, but he did get a ride along with Garrett, so hopefully I was able to add some footage into that. But we're packing up now. There's still some stuff going on here. But yeah, stay tuned for my next adventures. That's pretty much a wrap for the season, so I don't know where I'm winding up next. I might do a couple winter shows. I will try to capture those if I do. But until I see you guys again, see ya.